This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated seats, power moonroof, and power front seats. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.